Party's here. He's ready to play. Oh, but
yeah, sorry, we don't have a smaller table.
yeah, but Chop, I'm sorry.
I think he's only doing it because
I'm so sorry. You're the most talented, amazing. Be on your best behavior. He's a hard-working, scrap metal artist.
What do you think if he's
Oh, yeah. He can do that too. So, come on. Show it off.
Very impressive. Chopper, are you trying to be taller than them?
Now he's like someone my size, finally.
I know, it's always nice when you meet someone you can see.
Don't worry, Chop, in 1 light year, he's going to be taller than you. Just right, yes.
We should have brought in the robots.
Oh,
we should have. Yeah, we made one.
Really?
Oh, fine. You're planning on making one?
I made BB-8.
Oh, all right.
Oh, baby unit.
Yep, same colors as Chopper.
I made R2-D2.
R2-D2.
Yeah.
Blue.
Hey, everyone can like R2-D2. No. Let's take a scan first. Hands out. He's gonna do a scan on you.
It's pretty obvious.
You have her scan, so now you'll know everywhere what she does. Yeah. There's a reason why you're on safety mode today. Simula knew he would like use those arms, you know? Alright. Truce right now, okay? Truce. Alright. Yeah. Get back. He said vacation straight fish. Oh, you want to spice some? Oh, you want to? Oh, Chopper said the party's here. He's ready to play. Oh, but
yeah, sorry, we don't have a smaller table.
yeah, but Chopper, you cheated last time.
Nothing now? You didn't
I'd rather not take my card.
Yeah, and he uses that as a tactic to,
You are my favorite sport.
Look at this, look at that face. Look how innocent. Innocent droid.
He looks like he's seen something.
oh, he's seen it all.
What do you say? He's an innocent droid, right? Yes,
Oh, yeah.
say so.
No hesitation either. I love it. All right, we're the leader. You take us. Hey, what is it?
What's going on over here? What are you finding? You didn't know R2-D2, did you?
You're getting pretty defensive.
I mean, R2-D2's better.
For the order.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah. No, there was no lieutenant there.
There's nothing going on there.
What's his name?
No. Where'd he go?
I don't know. Yeah. I know.
We saw you yesterday. Did you finish your mission?
You finished your mission? It's been 24 hours. Wow.
Really?
He says the mission's complete when he says it is. Okay. Sounds a bit lazy to me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Why would you say that? Why would you ever say such a thing, Catherine?
It's toes. Go for it. Go get it. Oh, wow. Hi, the traveler with the lightsaber.
Yep.
Wow, very brave, Omar.
It's a doggy. It's a love cat.
I hate to break it to you, it is a training lightsaber, so it doesn't do very well.
Oh, sorry. Yes, you're right. The mission is finished when you say this. I was just telling him how he's saying that his mission is finished when he says it is. And then I made him a... no, I didn't say anything. I wouldn't ever say something.
If you say these things, I can't save you.
I took it back though, and I apologize.
Chopper, be honest.
Oh, yeah.
Did he apologize?
I did.
What?
I apologize. I got to my knees begging for forgiveness.
I don't believe that.
Go ahead, Omar. Get on
I
your
believe
knees.
Catherine. And I would believe you.
Please, forgive me. I'm sorry.
I think he's only
Please.
doing it because I hate him.
I'm so sorry. You're the most talented, amazing, good-looking, strongest and richest droid there is.
Everyone, in a car. Totally better than that other droid. This is the blue one that we don't talk
One we
about.
don't mention.
Yeah, we don't talk about our 2 years. We don't say that. It's like the best one.
Yep, droid C, droid D.
Subscribe.
What a nice package. Straight ahead. They're hiding behind that cedar now.
Find the young lady. All right, we're gonna find that young lady. Hello.
Look.
Where's that droid? This is Chopper.